guys, welcome to another video. What's this? Hey guys, welcome to another video. Hope you all are doing absolutely great. If you're new here, I am Onyinye Obiora, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by again. You all are the best. Okay, and welcome to another vlog, just like I said. So guys, today I'm going out much later on today. I'm going to the clinic with my dad. Can you even see me? And also I have a new storage. I'm so excited about this storage. I've always wanted this and eventually I got it, so I'm going to show you guys in a minute. It's still looking dusty, and so here is the new storage. It's quite dirty. It's really dirty. Can you see it? And then also I want to rearrange this my bookshelf. It's not looking good at all. Yeah. So guys, I am all done. This is the outfit of the day.
Life can be heavy, especially if you try to carry it all at once. Part of growing up and moving into new chapters of your life is about catch and release. What I mean by that is knowing what things to keep and what things to release. You can't carry all things. Decide what is yours to hold and let the rest go.
To school today to go do some reading because my exam is next week. So I'm all dressed. This is the outfit. So hey guys, I am back home. I'm very tired. To even change it to something else is, I don't even have strength for that, but I'll change. So today was quite productive. I had enough time to read at the library today. I really enjoyed my stay over there, but the only issue was that the snack I bought, I was hiding to eat it inside there, because the rule is that you don't eat snack inside the library and you also don't drink water. So I was only hiding to take the snack. So yeah, aside of that, I enjoyed my stay there. I need to get some rest. Okay, I see my water. I didn't even drink much from it, and that's because I wasn't permitted to take water in there. That was why I didn't drink much of it. Even the snack I bought, I didn't eat all, still because of the restriction. I still have something here. I only ate this biscuit, but the munchies, I did not eat it.